Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin immediately by calming and restraining the snake. Do this gently to reduce stress. Once restrained, place the head so you have a clear view and warm water at about 95 degrees 100 degrees F ready. Next, use a syringe to drip warm water onto the eye to soften the stuck cap. This helps separate the shed from the spectacle. While you work, keep sessions short and check breathing and movement. If the snake resists, pause and let it relax before continuing. Once the cap has softened, use a damp cotton swab to apply a gentle rolling motion at the edge of the spectacle. This loosens the connection over time. Make slow, incremental motions. Patience prevents damage. If you see clear separation, continue soaking and rolling until the cap lifts. Make sure to keep the eye lubricated with sterile saline as you work to prevent drying. If any bleeding, cloudiness, or pupil irregularity appears, stop immediately and seek veterinary assistance. Those signs indicate tissue injury. Once the cap is removed, gently rinse the eye with sterile saline and keep the enclosure warm and humid for 24 hours to aid recovery. Make sure the snake can blink and that the eye surface looks glossy, not dull or concave. Observe closely for the next 3 days for discharge, swelling, or refusal to strike food. Those are red flags. If any of these occur, or if you are uncertain at any point, contact a qualified exotic animal veterinarian immediately for professional treatment and possible topical prescriptions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.